talking about plant and animal cells. Now, cells make up all living things, and just like how last time, atoms make all non-living things. And
well, last time you said atoms made up your dog, whatever you call it.
Dog. What was his name?
Oh well, he's dead.
I'm having a Jim. You went to Jim. All right. So basically, cells are way weirder. They have a lot of more parts, and they're insane. So basically, they were discovered a long time ago when I was your age. Early microscope was invented in the mid 1600s. This thing, the early microscope, Robert Hooke saw the first cells in 1663. Here, there's a portrait of him. He has a really strong jawline.
Kind of looks like George Washington. Not gonna lie.
Everyone looked like George Washington when I was your age. That's Robert Hooke. So Hooke, right? He saw the first cell under this old tiny microscope. Did you see that? I caught it. Andrew, you got a compliment. Microscope. That's the coolest thing I've ever done in my entire life. That's why I have all the maidens. He called the tiny units he saw under the microscope cells because they resembled the cells of a honeycomb. Like the little oxahexagrams in a beehive. Alright. Now what is a cell though? What is a cell? Not all cells are the same though. All cells share certain traits and structures. Alright, what Andrew means by that? They're all weird little shapes. This one's kind of a square. Animal, plant, and this one is a bacteria. They're similar, alright? They're all really small. They're all okay. So there's this thing called the cell theory. Right, and that's like the basic characteristics of a cell. All living the cells are made of the basic unit of life. That means all living things are made of cells, and all cells come from pre-existing cells. That means, so basically, there's this process called cell division. This is about to be the longest video. It's about to be a 40-minute video. So, this is a cell, right? Sometimes, it'll just get a little bigger. 9 months in, you got 2 cells. I don't know why. They're a little goofy like that.
What about 9.5 months? Yes.
I really don't know what makes sense. I don't know. But back when cells were first discovered, I'm talking 1663. Alright. There is these stupid. Hold on, I gotta break some. There's these bozos, right? From that time who were built just like Hooke Man, who I just erased. And they thought that cells could come from non-living things. Meaning that they thought that, like, so basically, you say, there's a bunch of garbage on the ground in 1663. There's a bunch of trash, right? A bunch of dookie. And their theory was that that's where mice come from. Mice were born from trash. They thought cells came from non-living things. But that's obviously dumb and not true. They come from other mice. Infinite mice glitch. That's not how it works. Don't do that. Don't be a 1663 and type goofy bozo lamino LLAMO SOS. Cell parts and their functions. Alright, so this is about to be big. So cell organisms, right? You and me, we are organisms. color was red when it hit my skin. This is me, the absolute Giga Chad I am. And this is you, right? We are both organisms, all living things, or organisms, alright? And all organisms are made of cells. And also here, microscope 1000, here. If you don't mind me, I got your nose, alright? I'm gonna get this microscope, alright? I put your nose under the microscope, and this is your nose. Insert name here. Your nose. And, alright. This is 1 times magnification. 10 times. But once we go into, like, infinity square times, you get this goofy avocado, right? And that is a cell. And it has a bunch of stuff. Like this picture, right here, that I just put here because I'm editing right now. And as you can see, it has a bunch of random, so many things on it. They all do something else. And those are called organelles. And I only draw this one. It's the nucleus. Nucleus has this nuclear membrane. It's insane. I'm gonna draw like 1/10 of them. Mitochondria, the being with the footprint. Golgi apparatus, the coolest one there is. Don't let anyone tell you different. Endoplasmic reticulum is like this thing that surrounds the inner part and it has little dots on it. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It's just it without it. What else? Shoot, yeah. Cell membrane, that's this part. I don't know how to redo that. There's the nucleus, which is this part. Nucleus, and then nuclear membrane. There's what else? Oh, there's the cytoskeleton, which is basically like the veins that go into the avocado with the cell. Same thing. Am I right? There's these lysosomes, which are big dots. There are there's centrioles. They look like Twizzlers. Like they look like the inside of a copper wire, but they're Twizzlers. Let's just be honest. And shoot. Nuclear membrane. I labeled that part. There's so much. I'm just gonna look at this thing right here. That is ribosomes. There's a lot. Alright, there's like 90 other things, but I basically took up all the space. And yeah, I could all label these, or I could just put the picture that I had previously up here again. Because like you can see what an actual cell looks like. That's what your nose is. Except like times quintillion, probably. Oh! Oh shoot. So like a size 11 font I. Like size 11 I on Google Docs. Like, it's probably this big on your screen or something. That, this dot right here has 50 cells in it. Like, that's the equivalent. Which is pretty cool. So, you are on a device. Go onto Google Docs. Type in an I. Go to 11 font. And you have 50 cells right there. We're not even talking about the anymore, just a dot. And the cell membrane. This little guy right here, the outside, it does a lot. It like filters stuff. And I'm not gonna go into depth in it. Stuff go in it, stuff go out. It just like some stuff in it, it has its tastes. Another thing the cell membrane does is diffusion. It is another way of moving substance across the membrane. It does not require energy. The substance simply moves from side to side on the membrane with higher concentration of the substance to side to side. the lower concentration of the substance. So like the membrane, if we zoom in another 10 million, this is the membrane, right? This is some small segment of the membrane. We just chopped it off, you notice? This is high concentration, this is low concentration. I forgot how to spell. We're using Morse code. That probably means exactly that. I'm really good at Morse code. This means you're wrong.
Aren't there lines in Morse code?
And it's very complicated. Very, 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 very complicated. Very weird and kind of useless information. But cool. And that's why you're here. You're watching me, Science with Rye. And it's me, Rye. And it's me doing this video. It is Saturday, the May of 27th, 2023. It is 77 degrees outside. Organelles, cytoplasm. I forgot to label the cytoplasm. I'm not going to color it in. It's just alright, so basically, it is the jelly. It's like most of it. It's everything keeping everything together. It's the white parts. And its entire job is to hold the organelles and the nutrients. It's really important for where'd my wand go? Oh yes. It's very, very important. It's very nice. I very much appreciate cytoplasm. It makes me happy. Marshall Senior over here. Alright. Nucleus, alright. Basically this is the is that the nucleus? I think that's the middle part. I'm not sure if it's the middle of the middle or the middle. It's the brain. It's the high IQ brain, a high IQ man that controls all this. It is a control center. It is surrounded by its own membrane. Like this is cytoplasm, all the west stuff. That's nuclear membrane. That's the only time where it's going to be different. And it's so important that it's protected over protection. Protected over protection over protection. You need that. Alright, it tells everything what to do. Most nuclei, the nucleus, contain the nucleus, has an O instead of a U. That's the middle of the middle. The nucleus has DNA. And that's where your DNA comes from. That's why if you get a strand of your hair, it's your DNA. Or if you pee in a bottle, it's also your DNA. Like that one guy from TF2. Vesicles and vacuoles are membrane-bound organelles. I think. Hold on. Vesicles are in plant cell or animal cells. This is an animal cell or a human cell. Same thing.
It's your nose.
This is a nose cell, and they have these other dots. Those are vesicles, and they store, they store stuff. But plant cells are way different, right? They're like square shapes, and they have all the same stuff, but they got this big vacuole. Like it's like that's what plants get its shape because of its massive vacuole. That's why plants are so satisfying. Because all that stores water. Actually, no. This stores H2O. Because we're science mans here. Our brains are bigger than.
Liquid water, solid water, or gas water? Liquid, solid, or gas water?
I thought that was the last video we made.
I know which kind of water was it?
I don't know. Water. It's water. Oh, liquid water. The good kind. Also stores stuff like nutrients. You need your iron.
Sorry for all these things, and just like outside, how they all know everything.
And also the vacuoles, they have a waste. I'm talking doo-doo. Oh. And seltzer. Yeah. That was there from the last video. We're grinding today. We're making 2 videos.
Don't use the blanket, bro.
It's a red blanket. Alright. Very important for plants, or plants wouldn't be as cool as they are today, because you know how your mom just love plants. They just grow them and they like them. It's insane. Or the mitochondria. So basically there's like 5 in a cell. I just drew one. But it looks like a bean with a footprint in it. It is very important. It turns nutrients to energy. You need those to live, or you just be like Michael Sr. right here. Really tired. He went to sleep for a while. Yeah, he turned into a skeleton. Alright, very important. You need those to live. Alright, we're going so slow. Alright, we're speed running.
We've already recorded 16 minutes.
Seriously?
Uh-huh.
Oh shoot. Alright, I'm not gonna waste your time.
We still have
I know you have
7 more slides.
You have to pee. I know you do. You're holding your pee. Dearest viewer, I bet you're holding your pee so much that you're going to die if you don't finish this video. We're going to help you out. Lysosomes are these big dots, small organelles filled with enzymes. They break down old parts of the cell and bacteria. Very important to live. Next time, gotta go. Endoplasm, that's the stuff surrounding the nucleus. It is a highway of the cell. It transports materials from the cell. It goes from one place to another. Very important. That's 2 kinds. Shoot. The rough ER. The rough ER. ER stands for endoplasmic reticulum. The rough ER is one of the ribosomes. It makes the ribosomes, and the ribosomes are used for making protein. So essentially, it makes proteins. And the smooth one just transports the proteins. They work together. They're best friends. Cytoskeleton. This is the skeleton. The little things. Like it's lots of veins.
Could you consider this
No. I don't have enough IQ for that. An internal network of fibers, the ethers, which made of protein filaments. It helps maintain the cell shape. Otherwise, you'd have a really weird shaped nose. Alright, plant cells do have some organelles that animal cells don't. For an example, they have chyloblasts. How do I pronounce that? Right? They look like this. It's like a bit. This is not on the scale, but it's one of those. It basically sunlight goes into a potato. Yeah, potato. And it makes energy. And it's really important for plants because that's how they get energy to grow. They also have the cell wall. We have cell membranes. They have a cell membrane. This plants out there have cell membrane, which is right there in the cell wall. And that greatly affects the shit. It's like extra protection because plants, they're not going to defend themselves, especially when we eat them. Plant-specific organelle cell wall. This is I'm going to describe it. It is a rigid frame that wraps around the cell membrane and helps provide strength, protection, and support. They don't have bones, so that's why they have bones. Because we just have these big calcium-filled thingies that help, and so we don't need these. So useful. Alright. What's next? Oh, shoot. Yeah, I already explained these. So, they're always green. This is a red one, but they're always green.
What are they?
Chloroplasts, they turn sunlight into energy. They're always green because they